Hello and welcome back to Sims Tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at teachers. This module called teachers, and this module has to do with the users of the application. It looks like it's a bit misleading, but it has to do with the users of the application. Okay, so if you look at in my database, I have different categories of users. You have the super administrator, that's the top. Then you have administrators here. Then you have others like the bossa, and then you have normal staff, teachers, male and females. I think males and females. Okay. All right. So we are going to see how you can create a new teacher, edit teachers' information, or import, then assign subjects to the teachers. Okay, so to create a new staff, you can right click and take add new staff. John Joseph. Can leave that. No. So here I'm using a super administrator account. That's why I'm able to create an administrator or assistant administrator. In fact, every other role below me. So if I decide to make that this user an administrator, I'll have to give them a username and passwords. No, I don't have to give them username and password. I can just leave it like that. And security permissions, the moment I select this role, the template is already having this is the administrator role here, already has what they can do and what they cannot do. As an administrator, according to this configuration, they can do all of this. They can see all of this. They don't have finance, they have other things. They don't have attendance, they don't have parents, they have all these other things. So that's what we want. So we can save. Okay, we can save. The system will generate a username and a password. So this is the account we just created, John Joseph. So you can right click on it and take edit staff records to assign the different sections. So if they are working in here, all the sections, grammar, commercial, evening, all of that, and you save. Once you save, you can come back and give them a username. I don't know if you want, maybe John. Okay, that shows that John already exists, John 2, and you can give the same password once. Okay, so you save that, so it does not change to the username in bracket, now change to John 2. So that's it. So you can do things like we have added a new staff, we have edited the information, etc. So let's add a normal teacher, a new staff. Let's add a female. And it's a normal teacher. So normal teachers, you just use that you have. If it's a bossa, you click bossa. Don't forget, each of these roles have their privileges here. So you can decide to, okay, the role bossa or the user should have some of these things you tick. Okay. For now, defaults are clear. So let's save. So that's been saved. Misspell. Misspell. So okay, the next thing after creating the teachers, you can always edit the information. You can, teacher calls you, oh, please, I've forgotten my password. You can go there, right click, and give them a new password. You can give them a new password if they forgot their password. Let me just change the username there. Save and send it to them. They will be able to change it. Okay, so let's put, oh, that was we made a mistake and created a bursar instead. We wanted to create a normal teacher, which is user. You see, okay, so it's now a normal user. Okay, so after creating a new teacher, you need to assign subjects. Probably that will be your next task, to assign them subjects, so that when they log in, they can fill marks, either using their mobile phones or on a network, or local area network using a computer. Okay, so we're done. We can right click on it, on the teacher's name or any teacher. Okay, in this case, let's do Miss Bar. You can double click or right click and see, and click on view subject load. Then I can add subject one after the other, or say from 2, let's see physical education, you can add, or you can right click again and say add from many classes. Okay, so you select, for example, chemistry, this from 3, you add. You can right click again, add from many classes, say entrepreneurship, it's not here. You can select class. Don't forget this other entrepreneurship in form 3, 4, 5 have been assigned to these other teachers here. So you add. So Mary Mispa has teaches all the subjects in those classes. You can come back. In case where you want to if the current year, if this teacher was there the previous year and you want to copy all the workloads from the previous year into the current year, you can just say you can open it and say copy from previous year for the selected teacher or for everybody in school first before you start making adjustments. Or you can add from, yeah, okay, we've seen that. All right, let's come back to the teacher's page. You can also import stuff from Excel. In that case, you need just the name and sex, date of birth and place of birth are optional, even sex. So all you need to do is just the name of the teacher. In case you have your staff records in some Excel file, okay, in case you have this in some Excel file, like this. In case you have that, you can import, you can come here, import